Mastering English. Report the incident, unveiled. Hello and welcome, English learners. Today, we're diving into a very useful phrase that you might encounter in various contexts. Report the incident. Understanding this phrase is crucial not just in mastering English, but also in navigating daily life, especially in professional or formal settings. So, let's break it down together and ensure you can use it confidently. Report the incident is a directive phrase consisting of two key components: report and the incident. Let's dissect these. Report, in this context, is a verb, meaning to give a detailed account of an event or situation, typically one that is unusual or problematic, to someone in authority or who is responsible for dealing with it. The incident refers to a specific event or situation, often something unexpected, unusual, or problematic. Putting them together, report the incident means to formally communicate the details of a specific event, especially one that might require further investigation or action, to someone in a position of authority or responsibility. This phrase is commonly used in workplaces, schools, and public settings where it's important to keep a record of any incidents that occur for safety, accountability, or legal reasons. Here's how to use it. 1. Identify the incident. Clearly understand what happened, including the details of when, where, and who was involved. 2. Find the right authority. Determine who is the appropriate person or department to report the incident to. 3. Communicate clearly and concisely. When reporting, be clear, concise, and factual. Avoid assumptions or emotional language. 4. Follow up. After reporting, stay available in case more information or action is required from you. Let's look at a few examples to see how report the incident can be applied. In the workplace, if you witness a safety violation or an accident at work, you should report the incident to your supervisor or safety officer. At school, if a student sees or experiences bullying, they're encouraged to report the incident to a teacher or school counselor. In public spaces, if you witness a crime or an emergency in a public area, you should report the incident to local authorities or emergency services. Remember, report the incident is not just about fulfilling a duty, it's about ensuring safety, accountability, and sometimes even justice. By understanding and using this phrase correctly, you contribute to creating a safer and more responsible environment around you. We hope this video has been enlightening and encourages you to confidently use your English skills in real-world situations. Until next time, happy learning!